Spousal maintenance is a form of financial support available to a party during a separation. It is understood to usually be payments made to the other party in a lump sum or periodic payment to help assist them financially during a separation. One party to a marriage or de facto relationship is understood to be responsible in maintaining the other party to the extent that the first mentioned party is reasonably able to do so. This is especially under circumstances where the other party is unable to adequately support themselves financially. The court applies a very specific test when they assess whether the spousal maintenance must be awarded to one party. The court is understanding as well as well aware of the fact that there are several relationships where there are circumstances where one party has stayed home to raise the children and support their spouse in not only progressing their career but also increasing their income. In other circumstances, one party has become the sole carer of a child with special needs. When issuing spousal maintenance, the court will look at a number of factors. One of the key factors is whether the party is unable to financially support themselves as a result of having to take care of a child that is part of a marriage or a de facto relationship, however, they have not turned the age of 18 yet. Other factors also include things like whether the party is of the age, physical, or mental capacity to gain employment, the income, property, and financial resources available to each party, the commitment of each party, and the cost of what is considered a reasonable standard of living for each party. The court expects that the parties will be able to provide disclosure, evidence, as well as an explanation of their current financial position, whether they are the paying party or they are the party that will be receiving the spousal support. In the event that the court determines one party is liable to maintain the other party financially, then the court must now ascertain the extent to which the party is reasonably able to support the other. An order for spousal maintenance will cease in different circumstances. The main circumstances are on the date specified by a court order, in the event that the dependent party enters a new de facto relationship or a marriage, or upon the death of the dependent party. If you have any questions regarding spousal maintenance, you can read below on our website, or you can book in for a consult today.